Hello guys! Have you ever been to and looked around a library in Korea? This weekend, my baby girl Haneul tried the public library for the first time in her entire life. So in this episode, I'd love to share how it went and also some expressions I discovered in the library. The expressions today are 자료실, 자가도서대출반납기, and 신간. If you are interested either in Korean libraries or the expressions, please keep on watching. Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean. This library is where we're heading. 광교 푸른숲 도서관. 광교 is the name of this area, and 도서관 means a library. So, 푸른숲 in the middle is really the name of this building, which means green forest. I love its name. It sounds so fresh, right? So, I'm trying to get in again through another door to share what the first floor is like of this library, because there is something I want to show you. Are you ready? Ready to watch? Ta-da! Yay! Isn't this place lovely? I wish it was my living room. I want to have that kind of a wall of bookcases. Anyway, let's have a look at the information for sections. I'm here for the kids' books today. Definitely for my girl, not me. So, can you recognize where I need to go for kids' books? Yes, it is in the third floor where 유아 자료실 and 어린이 자료실 are located, which means the reference room for babies and children. Actually, we can see the term 자료실 a lot in this section information, right? 자료실 literally means reference room in Korean, but actually this indicates where the books are. So even if 자료실 means reference room, it is closer to just a section. So we can find a lot of books that we can follow and return. So here I am in the third floor. After passing by the lovely bookcases we saw on the first floor, here is the children's section, which is called 어린이 자료실 in Korean. So, what are you? This is a guideline how to use 자가도서대출반납기, as it is written here. What is 자가도서대출반납기? The word is too long because it is actually a compound noun of many words. Let me take it apart. First of all, 자가 in 자가도서대출반납기 means self-service. So, as you might expect, this is guideline for how to use self-service kiosk or machines in this library. This will get clearer when you master the other words too. 도서 means books, and 대출 and 반납 mean borrowing and returning, respectively. Lastly, 기 at the end of the term means machines. I guess this guide is a great lecturer for the terms and expressions used in Korean libraries. I feel like I deal with everything with the word 자가도서대출반납기, don't you think? So let me repeat. This means self-service machine for books to borrow and to return. Whew! And here is the real 자가도서대출반납기. I think someone should change its name, by the way. Let's get inside. Wow, look at that. What is that log cabin? I love that. This place is like every mom's dream, to build this kind of place for our kids. And I'm not the only one who loves this place. Here goes my baby. she feels great as soon as landing at this cabin. Look, her awkward steps are definitely showing us how happy she is, aren't they? So, even if her interest is obviously not in reading, I'm still so glad that we found a place she loves. Both of us feel great in this place, so I decided to say hi to all of you. Hello again! And Haneul, she wants to say hi too, because that's what I suggested to her. Oops, her voice is too loud, say hi, and she doesn't stop. This is what I couldn't expect. It's my mistake, because she's the only one here who doesn't lower her voice. She doesn't care about the library rules at all. Do you wonder what happens to this kind of person in libraries? Yeah, we got expelled. A staff wanted me to care of her outside for others. But before leaving, I want to share this place as well. Another kids' yarn. Oh, there's the captain and the pirate ship. Also, moms and girls in the sea full of books. What's written there, by the way? 신간 그림책. 신간 그림책. Alright, 그림책 means picture books, as some of you might know. Then, what about 신간? Do you know the meaning of it as well? The word 신간 is used for newly released books. So, 신간 그림책 is the section for newly released picture books. I want to have a look at that section, but for now, I need to get out of this building. I will see you books next time. And so, I'm heading where we need to be. A playground rather than a library. I didn't plan to end up playing in a playground, but spending time here seems quite good. The weather today is like a typical beautiful and colorful day in fall in Korea. And Haneul is also enjoying the bubbles. How cute! Actually, the library is a part of a lake park. And as the weather is super great, let's take a walk for a while. It's good. It's good to be here. The weather is nice. Where I am is lovely. Can you feel what I feel now? Peaceful and restful. And I feel even lucky to be here today, not in my living room lying down on a floor to watch TV. Alright guys, I thank you so much as always for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a restful day everyone. Bye!